Hello everyone and welcome to Code Factory by Raj at Newton School. I'm Raj Kapashia, educator at Newton School. So हमने C++ की कुछ ट्यूटोरियल्स देखे जैसे कि काफ़ी कि C++ स्टार्ट कैसे करते हैं, वेरिएबल्स क्या होते हैं और काफ़ी चीज़ें हमने देखी, स्विच केस देखा, लूप्स देखे. सो अब जो हम करेंगे लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा था लूप का इंट्रो जो कि मैंने आपको बताया था. सो आज जो हम करेंगे वो करेंगे सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 नेचुरल नंबर यूजिंग फॉर लूप, व्हाइल लूप एंड डू व्हाइल लूप. Okay, so I'm creating a playground. Sum of 10 natural numbers using loop. Okay, so we are going to do that. So I've created the playground for that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy a code so that it will be no wastage of time for us to writing in the header file and that main function. Okay, so open with the code, so open editor. So you can do coding at here because it is easy for you also to maintain the codes. So okay, so this is fine. So now we are going to write a program first in a for loop. So for natural number I'm going to take for storing the sum I'm going to take a variable sum equals to 0 by default, and for now I have to define a variable. So natural number start from 1, so I equals to 1 and I should be less than equals to 10, and then I plus plus I increment is there. So what we can do here is sum equals to sum plus sum plus I. So I'm gonna run this program also. Okay, so let's run this. See the output. So 55 is the output and which is the correct output. So let me tell you in this case. So in this case we are having sum equals to sum plus I. So in that what is happening at here? So first our sum value is 0 and we are having I also. So our sum value becomes 1 when I is 1. Okay, I'm writing here the I value also. When I is 1 our sum becomes 1. Now our I is 2. Now already present sum is 1 and that we add, so now that becomes 1 plus 2 3. And if we are having, now we are having value 3, so if I add 3 into 3 it becomes 6. So now I'm having a value 4. So if I add value 4 into this it becomes 10. Now I'm having value 5. Okay, I value is 5, and if I add 5 into this so it becomes 15. Then we are having I as a 6. In for loop I'm telling, and the variable, this variable is getting updated some when the for loop is running. So 7, for 7 we are having 28, and then we are having 9. So this is how it is working, like 1 plus 2, like first is 1, then 1 plus 2 it's 3, then 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus, oh I have done a mistake at here, so don't mind. So you have to add this, like 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, this is how you have to plus. So it was my bad. Okay, so this is how we are adding the variable at here. So now we have to do this with a while loop. Okay, so in case of while loop, so initialization is outside the loop only at first. So I'm writing I equals to 1, and then I'm writing while I should be less than equals to 10. Okay, so this is the logic I'm writing at here. Condition. Okay, so I have defined the I, initialization is done. Then the part left here is increment. It will run the infinite loop. Okay, so it will be I plus plus now. Okay, now run, because now it's 55. If I have not done with the increment, so it was showing an error, I think so. So let's see, like, what was that error. There was a message, in message window there was something, time limit exceed. It's time limit exceed because this condition will get never false, because I is always less than 1, the less than equals to 10, because I is 1. If I run this, now it will give output 55. So we have to do with a do while loop. Okay, so I'm just cutting this, pasting it here, and writing do it here. Okay, so now let me check for this. So for this also our output is 55, because at first I equals to 1, then I2, I3, I4, I5, I10. So 10 is true, then 11, for 11 is false. So like this is working. So this is how we are going to do first sum of first 10 natural number using loops. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Kindly do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.